Hi mates, this is Brother Barnes. Welcome to Nutrition Online. Notice that this comes with proctored online side exams. It's important for you right now to go ahead and register for your midterm. Notice that when you go down, you can click the sign up link and you can get that done. Right off the top, this is top priority for you to get this done. Notice that it says click start here to start. Let's click start. Let's do that. Notice that it talks about getting Ranger ready. And notice that there's lots of information here. Don't ignore either one of these. Let's talk about the Ranger ready one next. On your dashboard, there will be a card that says getting Ranger ready. You've got to go through that and right click copy that so you can paste it into the getting Ranger ready quiz. By the way, if you're not in card view, if you're in list view, just click to be in card view and you will be able to see that. While we're here right now, I want to show you where your picture should be uploaded. Give me a beautiful or handsome picture here. Make sure in settings that you have an extra email, and make sure that in notifications that you have utilized the bell feature so that you will be notified immediately, so that you'll never be late or miss an assignment. That is an important thing. All right, let's go back to card view and let's go back to our class. Once you get your Ranger ready code, then we'll click on modules. Ignore this stuff at the top. This is for me. You will have to right click, or copy, not copy, paste, right click, paste the access code here to open everything so that you can get started. Notice that right off, you've got chapter 1 and chapter 2 stuff due within a couple of days. This is super fast. I have personally worked the SmartBook overview, the Connect orientation videos, nutrition, the SmartBook, the chapter 1. There is a calculations for calories and percent of carbs or proteins in a given food item, and I have those stashed in a playlist. Let's go to discussions real quick. Here's the introduction discussion board. If you go down and you click on this link right here, videos I am doing for this class, you can notice that I have done a calculation for you. I've also started working on the dietary analysis project, which is 15% of your grade. This is huge. I'm trying to work through most of this stuff along with you so that I can see what you're having to deal with. If you have a disability or a Title IX pregnancy, make sure that you have talked with your ADA coordinator on campus. Let's go back to modules and take a look at that. Remember, when you click that Start Here button, there is an introduction quiz that's based on that and syllabus stuff, I think. We'll see what it says. After reading the important course introduction material, do not attempt this quiz until you have read the Start Here page, course syllabus, and course outline. There we go. Make sure you get that done. This stuff at the top is only stuff that I can see. This video right here, as I may have mentioned earlier, I've done this video several times, so I'm not sure how many times I've said this, but it's okay. This will tell you how to do your dietary analysis project, which is due right before your finals. By the way, this is going to be probably the longest video of the semester that I do. So please listen all the way through this. Your diet nutrition analysis project is 15% of your grade. This overview actually falls into a different category that counts far less. And so this is just kind of to help you get going with this. This is the main feature though. Let's look at a few things which I think are important. If we look at assignments, notice that your SmartBook assignments only count 5% of your grade. Connect assignments, only 10%. We start boosting up a little bit. Your quizzes, 15%. Your dietary analysis, 15%. Your exams, 50% of the total. Discussion forum, 5%. Your practice, midterm and practice final exams, I would say take each one of those at least 3 times before you go to the campus to take your proctored exams. The Ranger Ready access code does not count as part of your grade, but yet it is your key to getting in and being functional. Let me go back to modules one more time. Once you get this done, then this is going to open just about everything. I would say work ahead. Remember, even if we have holidays, you will have due dates even in holidays. So work ahead in case, July 4th is big for you. Get busy ahead of time and do not get caught with stuff not done. Do not do that. Be obsessive about this. Remember this, that if you are in a 16-week class, I think this class could be time consuming. If you're in an 8-week class, it's double time. If you're in a micro term, which is 4 weeks, that is super fast. It has taken me a while to get through this myself, and I think that it will be the same for you. I think you can get it done, but it's going to take diligence. If you need to contact me, click on Canvas inbox over here and holler at me. I'll try to get back with you as soon as possible. Later, mates.